here to kick butt today. We're going to show them not only that blondes do it better, but...
Well, not only that blondes have more fun, blondes do it better.
That's right.
Here we are. We got the ball.
We're gonna
we
show
got
them how it's done.
Socks, the whole uniform. So here we go.
We're gonna kill them out there. Just wait and see.
And they usually say blondes are ditzy, but those brunettes...
Ooh!
Let me tell you.
Surprised they're gonna find the field.